a rectangle of fabric that's 150 centimetres long by 75 centimetres wide. Fold the fabric along the length, matching up these two long edges. Pop a pin about 2 inches away from this short edge, and then another pin 2 inches away from the other short edge. Fill in this space with pins. We're now going to take this to the sewing machine and sew between these points. Now my seam is sewn and I've positioned it in the middle of the scarf, and I'm going to take my scarf over to the ironing board, grab my iron, press this seam open and really flat. Now I'm going to slide my arm inside the scarf and grab this corner, and then I'm folding this in half, bringing one corner to the other one. Going to pin all the way around. Lining up the edges. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine. Pull the right side through the little hole. And then I'm going to need to pin this little opening. Grab a needle and thread, and we're going to slip stitch this opening closed. So I'm just going to do a little stitch on the spot to secure the knot. And this is just a simple slip stitch, any kind of hand sewing stitch, just to close this little opening. So when you come to the end, just bury a couple of stitches on the spot, pass your thread through that loop, and that's your scarf finished. So your scarf is finished, and you can wear it like this, or twist it once and wear it as a double scarf.